In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Instagram with Zapier and ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. Automating your Instagram can save you a ton of time and help keep your content consistent. And trust me, once you set it up, you'll wonder how you managed without it. First, you'll want to visit the Zapier homepage. You can do this by heading to www.zapier.com. Once you're there, look for the Create button and give it a click. This is where the magic begins. Next, head over to the Zaps tab. You'll find this option in the menu, and it's where we'll create our automated workflows. Once you're on the Zaps page, you'll see a button labeled Trigger. Click on it to specify the event that will start your automation. Now, for this automation, we're going to search for Schedule. This setting will allow us to define how often we want to post on Instagram. After searching, click on Schedule to select it as your trigger. You'll be given an option to choose how often this trigger fires. Go ahead and select Every Day. This means your posts will go live daily, keeping your audience engaged regularly. After setting up your trigger, you'll need to add an action. In the action step, type ChatGPT in the search field. This will help us generate creative content for our posts. Click on ChatGPT OpenAI from the list of options. Here, you'll be prompted to choose an event for ChatGPT. Type in Generate to find the event where ChatGPT generates content. Specifically, we want to select Generate an Image as our action. This is where the creativity kicks in, and you can provide descriptions for the images you want to create. Once that's set, you'll click on Add Step to proceed with another action. This time, type ChatGPT again in the search box and select ChatGPT OpenAI once more to use it again in your workflow. Now, choose another event, this time for a conversation rather than just generating images. This will allow you to craft engaging captions or responses for your Instagram posts. After setting up the conversation, it's time to add another step. Here, you'll type in Instagram to select your social media platform. Make sure to choose Instagram for Business. Now you're on the brink of sharing your wonderful content. In the Instagram step, click on Choose an Event. From the options, select Publish Photos. But before you can actually start posting, you'll need to sign in to both your ChatGPT and Instagram accounts through Zapier. This connects the apps and allows them to communicate and share information seamlessly. And there you go. You've just automated your Instagram with Zapier and ChatGPT. Isn't that exciting? With this setup, not only can you publish beautiful images to your feed every day, but you can also engage with your audience in a more personalized manner thanks to ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more great tips. Until next time, happy automating.